I have here a set of 2 pairs of some leather work gloves. I'm going to show you these up close, show you some of the scenarios that these are going to be handy, and show you how high quality these are. Okay, so up close, you can see there are 2 different styles. There's this style here, it's just all leather. Got some good grip and texture. And then this orange pair here, you see on the back side it's nice and smooth, but then on the inside it's got a nice spot for some extra grip and extra protection when you're doing some work with like shovels or an axe or anything else like that where you need extra protection and grip right here in the palm. So you can also see it's got a nice double stitch going all the way along. These fingers are nice and durable. They're not going to easily wear through. They're going to last for a long time. And same thing on the orange pair here. You can see it's got a nice double stitch. Nice thick fingers that are going to be nice and durable. And they do also have a little drawstring right here on both of them where you can cinch up and pull it tight once you get the glove on. Now for demonstration purposes here, I've got one of each. So I'm just going to slip them on here. You can see it fits really nice. Got it on. I can pull that really easy, tighten it up. Put on the second glove, just like that. And again, you just pull that drawstring to tighten them up. And you can see how well they fit my hands here. Okay, so you can see it's nice and cold outside. There's snow on the ground. I gotta do some work on this trampoline. That's where these gloves would come in really handy. Be able to hold the metal, move things around. It's got good grip. I can hold it really good. And it's gonna help keep my hands warm, especially with this cold metal. My hands would freeze without some nice high quality gloves. They got some good grip and good protection. Another spot they're useful is if you got to work with some firewood or wood in general. They're going to help protect your hands really good. Let you work with the wood without having to worry about getting slivers, or even with all this extra snow, not getting my hands cold, and protecting them with a lot of grip, and they're really comfortable too. So this set of 2 pairs of leather work gloves is super nice. They're nice and comfortable. They offer a lot of protection. They're really high quality and nice and durable. They're gonna keep my hands warm. They're gonna keep my hands safe and protected. They're super nice that you have 2 different kinds here. You can choose the one that you like the best, or the one that's gonna fit the job that you're doing the best. So I'd recommend these to anybody that wants to have a nice set of some high quality leather work gloves.